I have to pop a squat.
Okay.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are, where are we? IKEA! Oh yeah! IKEA!
The happiest place on earth.
We are so excited to be at IKEA. Apparently the girls went without me.
Bruh.
I haven't been since like 2020 or 2021. So I'm just gonna be vlogging our whole trip. Bailey, we can't bring you in. You're a pet.
I just said that to you.
You guys, we're in the IKEA bathroom.
I'm so excited. We are officially at the showroom. Look at all of the stuff, guys. There's a bed.
I think I'm overwhelmed. I don't know what to get. That is so cute.
I know, I'm so cute.
I'm on a mission to find a desk for my room. And a chair, because I have a desk, but I don't actually use it. And I want a desk that has storage inside of it. Ideally, that's what I would like. But look how nice this is. They even give you complimentary pencils. This one gives me really good vibes. They even have the outside patio on screen, so you can think about it. It has the beach view.
Look at our family.
Oh my god. It's mommy, daddy, and me.
It's actually me before you guys were born.
Oh, look at all of our food. Guys, look. We have peas. We have a whole thing of peas. And look, we've got milk. It's clear milk. And this is actually really nice. I burned myself. Let's go to the bathroom. Oh, God. Oh.
Oh, look at the bath.
Oh, okay. Here, I have to pop a squat.
Okay.
Do you want to take a turn? You can Dude, this is just like... Okay, I have to actually shop right now. This is... Oh my god. There's so many goodies in here. I just can't. Lack of motivation. That's what I call you.
It's Mars.
What did he say?
Guys, this is our new house. This is our side view of our neighbors. And then this is my grandma and grandpa. My grandpa used to be a dentist, but as you can tell, he's not really a good one anymore.
Wow.
No.
I got pillow.
Is it a cacti or a cacti-you? The girls have officially abandoned us, so we're gonna die here. Oh, I gotta pop a squat again. Sorry. That was a really good one.
Wow.
Here, you go. Gotta pop a squat. Oh, that was a good one. This is actually really nice because you can shower, then you could take a dookie, and then you can wash your hands. No way! This is like the perfect YouTuber setup. Just put it right here. Oh, and then... Whoa!
Hi guys, and welcome to my cooking channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make ice. Oh my god! So first of all, you just put the water inside of it, and then we're going to pop it into the oven, okay? What? We're going to pop it in here for 124 degrees until 124 degrees? And then while we're doing that, we're going to pour some extra water in here. And we're going to heat it up. Oh yeah. And then you heat it up for 24 seconds and 95 minutes.
And then after that, you have to pour it also into the ice. And then, after that, it all should be ready. So you bring it out, and that's your ice.
It smells so gross in here.
Look at feet.
No, not the ankles.
The ankle.
No.
Is everything all right in there?
So according to the rules of IKEA, when you're in here for an hour, you start to have a mental breakdown.
Oh, I think we're all mentally breaking down at the moment.
So what is that?
Fingers. Jordan. So this would be a step stool for you, Riley, because you can step on the stool. That's a cute curtain. It's so bright. Look at the chicken. Oh, it's a radio. Somebody asked me if I worked here and I said no. I'm offended. Do I look like I work here? I'm just in overalls. Hey, Laura. Hey, Laura. Hey, Laura. Hi guys, so I am back to where we started. I lost my water bottle in here and it's literally the first spot that I was at. I lost it, but I found it. Hi guys, we have successfully escaped IKEA. What do you think, Jordan? Did we overspend? Maybe. But the thing is that we had a great time. Look at the flags. That's crazy. We're gonna load up the car now. We did it! 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 Now we're going to the warehouse! We continue our journey to get refueled at the one and only Sushiiiii. Let's go. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. What if it's closed?
Bailey, what'd you get? I got sushi.
We're still waiting on more. This is my ramen bowl. So cute. Jordan, what is this? Chicken udon. Riley, udon soup. Vegetable tempura. How's your kids' chicken? This is amazing. Hi guys, we dropped Riley off for her work meeting and now we are in Target. Bailey's having a fine dandy time checking herself out in the mirror. I'm on a mission to find some pillows for my bed. I would like to get some cute baskets or something. We just finished up at so we're gonna head to Ross. It's Carl from Phineas and Ferb. We're in Ross. Oh my gosh.